If there was one piece of advice that you could leave this world, what would it be? So if there's one piece of advice that you could leave the world, what would it be? I don't know. God. Would it change though? Like, what would it change if maybe it was your wife or your son, your daughter? Maybe it was your best friend. Think about that. Think about it. If you come up with something, leave it in the comments section. I read all of them, and we'll use some of them in the next stream as well. So today we got a big update. We had our big fundraiser that we were doing with the 1% solution and Living Motion monograms. I've got a total for you guys. So the deal as well as the sale ended at midnight on Sunday. And so our grand total, sound effects, editor. Really? That's all you got? Whatever. Anyway, $1,444. So, all of you guys, thank you. That's incredible. I want to show you guys where we're at too. So, let's check in. I want to bring up our the GoFundMe page. So here's the GoFundMe page for Richard Mills. If you guys want to take a look at this, this tells you all about the story, why we're raising money for Richard and his family, and really basically the entire story of what he's gone through, and his battle with brain cancer. So right now we're at $11,235. We've got $20,000 as our goal. Here's the thing: we're, like I just said, $1,400 that we just are going to be donating and adding to this total. But we still got a ways to go. How about this? Here's what we're going to do. The sale ended at midnight, so 11:59 last night, and of course today I get emails and I got a couple phone calls from people going wanted to still take advantage of it. So we're going to extend this. We're going to extend the deal. What we were doing is we had our Projectors DVD Volume 7, the 1% solution, and we're doing a special, basically run this for half price for you guys. So the tools or the projectors disc is only $50. We're also doing the tools disc, which is a download, which has currently 50 monogram designs on it. All right. Now we were doing this for $199. It comes with 50 designs currently, and on August 5th, I'm going to be releasing another 40 designs, so it'll be 90 designs total here for $199, which is really incredible. If you already have this, though, here's the thing. I ran into a little problem. A lot of people already have this disc. The problem I have, though, is that I'm not charging for the update. And I promised you guys I would never charge for the update. It doesn't really help with raising funds for for this moment. So here's the thing. The updates are going to be available on August 5th. We're adding 40 designs to the updates. If you guys already own tools, the update's not going to cost you a dime. I'm going to make sure of that. But if you can, click on the link in the description below. Go to the GoFundMe page. Donate what you can. $5, $10, $20. Hey, donate one for every design you're going to get. $40 if you can over there. And, do it anonymously. Put your name on there. Hey, hashtag it, DBAD. Just let them know you're thinking about them. Do whatever it is that you can. Let's get to our $20,000 goal on this. I know we can do it. We're going to extend this. This is going to be the final deadline, Wednesday, 11:59, midnight. We're going to find out and do our donation on Thursday, okay? So make sure you guys, if you haven't already, I'm going to go through the process. I'm going to tell you at the end of the video what's going to go on with the tools update itself. But join us for the live stream this Thursday, 6 p.m. is when I'm going to do it here on good old California time on the West Coast. And we're going to do our donation at the same time there as a community on the GoFundMe page. Again, all of you guys who own tools already, the update's going to be for free if you can. I'm calling you out right now. Go over, click that link. Click it, do it. I'll wait right here. donate whatever it is that you can. And let's give that boost. Let's get to our $20,000 goal. I know we can do it as a community. I know we can really help Richard and his family out. And just helping them make the most out of the days and the weeks and the months that he's got left with friends and family. I know right now he's been flown back to the United States to continue his training with DJ brothers and sisters, and still doing what he loves. So take a moment. For those of you guys who want more information on the update itself, keep in mind we are going to be doing 40 new designs. They will be released on August 5th. I'm going to have a video on the channel here that's going to show you guys how to get the update, what the process is going to be. That'll be available in just a couple weeks. So if you haven't, hit the subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications, and that way when that video goes live, you will be the first to know, and you'll know how to update your tools to get the new designs that are going to be coming out on August 5th. Look forward to getting that out for you guys as well. Again, thank you so much to the community, people I want to thank already on this video that contributed to the and again, this is all you guys. These are the people who made $1,444 possible. But our community challenge is $2,000 mark. I think we're just about $500 away from it. We can do it. We got 3 days to do it. Let's pull together. If you need this, please take advantage of these deals. $199. I'm paying for the credit card transit processing. I'm paying for shipping within the United States. If you are outside the US and you'd still want to take advantage of the discounts and the donations to the fundraiser, please email me at info@livingmotionmonograms.com. I will give you instructions on how you can take advantage of it, get the discount, and have the money contribute to the fundraiser as well. But I do need to get the email no later. Exactly, Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. All right, it all comes to an end then. That's where we're going to also make our donation. So join us Thursday for the live stream, 6 p.m. And that will be Thursday, the 18th, coming up, July 18th. I look forward to doing the presentation, doing our donation as a community, and seeing where we sit. Also, check out the links below for the t-shirts that we're going on sale, also benefiting the fundraiser. And any questions, leave a comment section below or email me at info@livingmotionmonograms.com. We'll see you guys in just a couple days for our update, and see you on the next video. Take care, guys.